With the advent of globalization, the scale of businesses grows exponentially. This means new leads get generated and captured, new competitors are acquired, and cutting-edge innovation and deployment of new technologies is carried out. This data can fuel powerful business decisions to accelerate profitability, deeper market penetration, and wider social outreach. Our core is in data management, business intelligence, and private and hybrid cloud solutions. Trust us to be your partner, enabling holistic growth of your business and helping you stand out in the data landscape. Starting in 2002, we have collaborated with global market leaders and served over 900 clients successfully in varied industry verticals. The reason of our global success is utmost importance to customer satisfaction. With the collaboration of our professional engineers, agile project managers, experienced architects and success team, we develop and adopt a solution-driven approach to manage every project and make it a success. Our hard work, innovation, and problem-solving capabilities have helped us evolve to be pioneers in digital transformation, IoT, advanced and predictive analytics, application and database modernization, mission-critical computing needs. Through thorough analysis of your environmental and technological needs, we develop a robust custom solution using our proprietary tool, OmniLoad. Our end-to-end solutions enable analysis, planning, and implementation, focusing on the complete migration and consolidation of your platform, as well as the upgrade and virtualization of your existing database. Leveraging our core values of innovation, self-improvement, and integrity, we pave the way for your business to grow and adapt to emerging technologies. Scalability Experts, your technology partner for exponential business growth. Contact us today at scalabilityexperts.com.